Why does my skin is atopic? Your skin sometimes reacts to things you touch and becomes dry, red, itchy, maybe with scales. It looks like you have atopy-prone skin, as almost 20% of children and 10% of adults. But why is your skin so reactive? Atopic dermatitis is an inflammatory chronic disease of the skin linked to a reaction of the immune system against external aggressors that don't trigger it in normal skin. There is a genetic predisposition to atopy. It often runs into the family. It makes the skin barrier less efficient and the microbiome is altered, leading to an increased water loss. That's why atopic-prone skin is often dehydrated and uncomfortable, and also increased permeability to external aggressors. Our daily habits, like harsh cleansing, amplify the skin barrier impairment and therefore the onset of eczema. Based on Ecobiology at NAOS, we know that atopy-prone skin needs to be taken care of not only to relieve symptoms, but also to prevent relapse. And we believe dermocosmetics play a major role in this part to preserve and strengthen the skin barrier and balance the skin microbiome with adapted hygiene and skincare. Learn more at naos.com.